Hi, I'm Tim Butler from Innovation Visual, and yes, this video has been made with AI because we use it every day in what we do for our clients. For over 2 years, we have been helping companies implement AI properly across businesses ranging from £5 million turnover up to over £1 billion. We have also heard plenty of horror stories from leaders who have wasted significant money and valuable time getting it wrong, often because they did not have the right foundations in place before they started.
That is what these workshops are built to fix. Tim and I run the workshops together for senior commercial leaders. The day is non-technical, and it is not about solving one quick problem with AI. What we do is give you the core foundations you need to think, plan, and deploy AI properly across your business. You leave with a clear view of where AI fits, where it doesn't, and concrete next steps that set you on the road for deeper, more effective implementation. To lead a business, a department, or a team through the AI revolution, you do not need to be an expert in AI. You need to be a leader who can confidently understand and analyze the decisions and actions in front of you.
I hope you'll join one of these small in-person workshops to take your AI leadership to a whole new level.